Fix it.
Tommy?
Yeah.
Come on.
What's wrong with it?
I'm a baby. Very fishy.
You got a fishy in it? Well, that won't make it work very well.
This will work.
This'll work? You need to park it someplace else. You fixing it? No, 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 don't bite it. Okay. Oh, you gotta just push it sometimes.
I'll push it.
Okay, push it. Maybe if you push it from the back, it'd be easier.
This one will work.
This'll work. Okay, move it out of the middle of the way now.
It works.
It works. Okay. Where are you going?
It's all upset.
Kristen?
No!
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Very good.